Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, I'm Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you my travel and my photography adventures. I got my dad with me right now. We're on another father-son trip. In our previous episode, we toured around Tombstone and got to see a gunfight. And now we're gonna head up for an evening in Bisbee, Arizona. We are once again heading across the vast open spaces of Arizona in search of our next destination. Bisbee is an old mining town located here in the Mule Mountains of Arizona. As we pull into town, we can see that COVID is having an economic effect on this town. Where you would expect tourists, we are greeted with mostly empty streets. We head straight to our accommodations for the night at the Bisbee Grand Hotel. Our room looks comfortable enough, but trust me, you don't want to sleep on that couch. Not exactly the most comfortable. Alright guys, so we're in Bisbee right now, and you know, with the pandemic and everything, it's pretty deserted, especially since it's also Monday evening, so not a lot of tourists in town. The cool thing about it is that means it's going to be really empty tonight. I might be able to get some cool, creepy nighttime shots, so we'll see what happens, but we're in search of dinner. This old mining equipment is the reason why Bisbee exists. For nearly 100 years, the Queen Creek mine produced $6.1 billion worth of material from over 8 billion pounds of copper, 2 million ounces of gold, 77 million ounces of silver, 304 million pounds of lead, and 371 million pounds of zinc. Bisbee is the mining camp left behind when the mine closed in 1975. Today, you can take a tour into the mine. Walking around town, it is obvious that I'm almost going to have the place to myself tonight. Oh, what do you think, Dad? That way? Yeah. All right, let's get dinner that way. First, though, we need to get some dinner. So this town is definitely a little bit on the dead side tonight. So that's what I'm definitely looking forward to, maybe trying some nighttime photography. So we are at the Saloon here at the Bisbee Grand Hotel and trying the local stout, and it's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so today we had a late big breakfast. Okay, I had the big breakfast, you didn't. We had a late big breakfast, skipped lunch because I was so full, had ice cream, still kind of full. Should not be doing this to myself, but look at that beauty right there. Oh my God, I can't put my mouth over this sucker. Oh my God. Oh God, yeah, that's a burger. Oh yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome. And dripping with grease. Even healthier. God, look at this. So I'm going to take advantage here of the fact that town is pretty much deserted and see if I can capture some some nighttime images of the streets. Looks like they have their Christmas lights up here, so hope that adds a neat element to the image. So I'm going to go down here to the end of the street and set up the gear for some long exposures, and maybe we'll walk around just a little bit. Dad is kind of tired, so he's staying back at the hotel room. And then of course before I left, I told him that we were staying in a haunted hotel tonight. Now if this does not say creepy haunted hotel, I don't know what does. Yeah, I would say this qualifies as creepy haunted hotel. I mean, the furniture looks like it's out of Disney's Haunted Mansion. So, yeah, look down here, look at this, completely deserted. Completely deserted. But, like I said, take advantage of this situation and see what kind of nighttime images we can capture. So I guess we can call this kind of a creepy Christmas holiday scene here. So I'm taking some exposures with cars moving away to kind of give that ghostly, you know, car moving image with all the light streaks. And oh, almost got one. Hang on. Got one coming. Hang on. There you go. Now I got one with a car coming. So the other thing is I'm taking advantage of some leading lines here, because the double yellow lines on the street helps to guide the viewer up the street. So we're shooting at slight up angle here, or uphill, and so we're getting underneath all these Christmas lights. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath from climbing steps. Found another cool alley. Gonna sit up and get this image. So for this one, I'm using some perspective to try and draw the viewer into the image. So pretty much all the leading lines are drawing into the center focal point to guide the viewer's eyes into the image. Not bad either. At least I'm getting my Stairmaster workout in tonight. Thing is, you see all these places that should be hopping with tourists right now, because I mean, this is the beautiful time of the year. It's just so quiet. So I'm trying to shoot as many of these alleys that are at least lit up with something interesting. There's also some luminaries lit up over here. I might try and get some close-up stock images of those as well. So as I'm trying to capture these luminaries, the local crazy woman walks by. Weird. Well guys, I think that's it from Bisbee. I'm going to go back up to the haunted hotel and try and get some sleep. So remember, check out patreon.com/EWJ to check out my extra content. And remember, never stop exploring. See you all in the next episode.